Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and AI. Now in this particular video, I will be sharing my knowledge about how to integrate AI into Excel. So which means we're having AI and data analytics together, and that is going to help us to save a lot of time in doing data analysis. Okay, so I will share with the help of examples. The first is AI.ask, then we have AI.fill, extract, translate, and table. Now, before that, we have to get the add-ins. Now, I have already added these two add-ins, and I will share quickly how to add these add-ins. Go to Get Add-ins. I'm using Office 365, that's why it's reflecting in the file menu. If you're using any other version, I'm not sure where the add-in part will be. You can find videos regarding that in YouTube. I'll type ChatGPT and I'll select this one. This is the odd add-in I will be going for. Okay. And now I will love to give credit to a YouTuber, Kenji Explains, who has shared the same knowledge in his YouTube video, and I'll give a credit to him. Kenji Explains. He's an amazing YouTuber. He's a wonderful YouTuber, right? And he has helped me with this following data set. Okay, so now I'll be sharing, and of course in this data set I've made some changes, right? I've added a little bit of my own creativity. I'll explain that. Now first let's look at who is the chief executive officer of Apple. So I'll go is equals to AI dot ask, and here it says what's the prompt. This is our prompt. Select the prompt, close the bracket, hit enter, and you see in few seconds it helped us with this information. Okay, now this was not that impressive, right? Now let's look at another formula that will help us write an entire email, and which will take 5 minutes, right? But it will do in seconds for us. Is equals to AI dot ask. What's the prompt? This is the prompt. I select that, hit enter. See, in just 2 seconds, right? The entire email has been generated. Obviously, you have to add the manager's name and right. So rest everything is sorted out. Cool, isn't it? Amazing, right? AI is so fabulous. Now let's look at another scenario. This is a prompt. It says which formula should I use to sum a list of values only if they are greater than 5. Now is equals to AI dot ask. Select this as a prompt, close a bracket. Right, it has given me with this information. All right, so I'm sure that this you still may not have been completely impressed, right? Now let's look at how we can save more time with the help of another function known as AI.fill. Okay, you have this data set wherein you have the countries, their respective cities, and in which continents are they based. All right, now I will type is equals to AI.fill, and then I will share with AI this as an example. So I'm telling AI that this is the example. Basis this, help me with the name of countries for these cities and their corresponding continents. So that's my instruction to AI. Now I'll close a bracket, hit enter. In few seconds, the information will be ready. Cool. Let's say that you have a huge data set and you're wanting to find similar information. Okay. In a matter of seconds, it will produce a result which may have taken at least couple of hours. So that's how you can save a lot of time with the help of AI. You're saving time, you're saving energy, you're also saving your frustration, and that becomes pretty magical, right? Now is equals to AI dot fill. I'll look at another scenario. You have the name of companies, their respective industries, and their headquarters. So I will do the same thing. I'll copy these three as an example base for AI, and then select the name of the companies for which we do not have information. And some companies are even pretty new, and like they're not that popular. For example, UNIQLO. I do not know which this company is, and I'm sure that you may not have heard about this company, right? So we have selected this, close the bracket, hit enter. In a matter of few seconds, you got the industry and their cities, right? Great, correct? All right. Now I'll go to extract. Here we have, you know, this is something I've added. I've added 78 names. In this data set, we only had, I will say, around six sentences from which we had to extract names. But here in this data set, I've added 78 names. All right. Now you will do it manually. Let's say you have thousands of rows, and let's say you have 25 columns, and you have to extract information from them manually. You know how much frustrating and disappointing it will be, right? Because it will consume a lot of time, energy, and let's say that if you're not in a good mood, then it will be like adding fuel to the fire, right? So AI will help us reduce or eliminate all these type of things. And AI is such a incredible assistant that the more you can get of it, you will never get tired. Okay, right. So is equals to AI dot extract. I'll select this entire data set, and what do I want to extract? I want to extract this. So close the bracket, hit enter. In few seconds, it will generate the result for us. Wow. See, it hardly took few seconds, correct? Let's cross check this. It says my name is Ava White. It produced the result for you. Let me scroll down randomly. Let's check. Sophia Ward. See, it fetched information pretty quick. How awesome is it, right? Now, if you had like thousands of rows, I'm pretty sure you would have spent at least a day just extracting information by doing it manually. But here, with the help of AI, with the help of one formula, you can save, approximately 4 to 5 hours and utilize that for rest of the productive things. And I'm pretty sure that the boss will definitely like it, because your boss wants to get more done at a less amount of time. All right, let's look at a few more scenarios. I want to extract email IDs. I'll use the same function, is equals to AI dot extract. I'll select this, comma. What do I want to extract? Email. First you select the values, then you ask AI to extract what you want. Here in this scenario, it will be email. Close the bracket, hit enter. See, it did extract the information you're asking it for. Now let's look at another scenario, is equals to AI dot extract, where you want to extract the list of cities from these sentences, comma. Fantastic, right? We just love AI. I mean, I'm in love with AI 100%. Now here, let's say I'll type Korean. Let's see how AI does the translation. Is equals to AI dot translate. This is the value, and what's the language? We need Korean. Hit enter. In few seconds. Wow, I'm simply amazed. Let's do one thing. Let's change this to Hindi, just in case if you want to cross check this, because I know I'm aware of Hindi, right? I do not know Korean. Now I'll type Hindi. Okay. Wow. I mean, this pretty much the translation is really, very professional, and I would say definitely 90% accurate. And this is just incredible, right? Let's say that you have an entire paragraph and you want to do the translation instantly. AI will do the needful for you. Incredible, right? Now let's look at the table last is equals to AI dot table. I select this particular prompt, but before that, I will not add these three things. I'll remove this and later on I'll explain. So is equals to AI dot table. Select this as a prompt, close a bracket, hit enter. See, it gave us a result. Now here, now I'll add few things. Let's say continent surface area and GDP. I'll remove the GDP part, hit enter. Wow, you see, just changed something in the prompt and it dynamically changed everything for you. Now let's do one thing. Let's also add the GDP part. GDP. Fabulous. Right? So I hope you are able to derive some value out of this particular video, right? And I'm sure that when you learn these formulas, it will help you in your day-to-day work, and you can try presenting this to your boss. Your boss will definitely like it. So thank you so much for patiently watching the video.